Piny owacho yudo loch maduong' e safar mare mar keto piny Kenya lojo Singapore e weche mag dongruok ahinya to bang' jood bura puodho chenro mar uso bath kambi mar Safaricom. Uso mar atamalo 15 mar Safaricom dhi miyo sirkal bilion 40 e tielo mokwongo. Omenda ma idhi kete agulu moyiedhi mar kongo apeyni, paw ndeke kod yaro dag teko mag sitima mong'ere kaka National Infrastructure Fund.
That the government of Kenya shall receive Kenya shillings 40 billion and 200 million as upfront payment in lieu of future dividends on the residual 20% shareholding as per the dividend purchase agreement. That notwithstanding anything contained in the share purchase agreement and the dividend purchase agreement, the proceeds of the divestiture shall be paid into the National Infrastructure Fund. That to safeguard against loss of jobs for existing staff, there shall be no acquisition-related redundancies in Safaricom PLC. That the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury shall ensure that within 10 years of the divestiture, there shall be no material change to the current shared prosperity business model in Safaricom PLC that will prejudice the existing Safaricom PLC dealers, agents, and other business partners. As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.